Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the wa sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The wa sound, like in the words hoa or why, is a combination of the u sound and the a sound. Now let's see how to pronounce the wa sound. We're gonna start by the u sound. Place the tip of your tongue on the low position behind the lower teeth and raise the back of the tongue very high. Then move your back of the tongue down and raise the tip of your tongue up to make the a sound at the end. And now let's talk about the mouth shape. First, open your mouth very small and your lips must be round and tense. Then smoothly open the mouth widely. Stretch your lips slightly and keep them relaxed to make the wa sound. Now let's try to say the sound. Wa, wa, wa. You can hear that in the wa sound, the u sound is a short sound and the a sound is a long sound. So when you say a word with the wa sound, you have to prolong the a sound at the end of the word. Now, time for practicing. Let's try to say some words with the wa sound. I'm going to say the word first, then you'll have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the word. The first word is hoa, 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 toa, toa, đoá, loa, lóa, khoa, khóa, đóa hoa. Now let's try to say a sentence with many of the wa sound. We're going to do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm going to say the sentence very slowly. Then I'm going to do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I want to say the sentence with normal speed. Thoa, mua, đoá, hoa, loa, kèn. Now a little bit faster. Thoa, mua, đoá, hoa, loa, kèn. Now with normal speed. Thoa, mua, đoá, hoa, loa, kèn. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.